Hello everyone. So right now, lots of departmental audit is going on under section 65 as well as scrutiny of returns under section 61. And thereafter DRC 1A and in many cases so cause notices under DRC 1 has been issued. And one very common issue that the taxpayers are facing is with respect to denial of ITC because of wrong place of supply mentioned by the supplier. भाई supplier ने wrong place of supply mention कर दिया, उसके लिए ITC deny हो रही है. Now what is the concept is this of wrong place of supply? Let us discuss, and what precaution, what answer, how taxpayer should respond in this particular case when the ITC has been denied on the basis of this wrong place of supply. Suppose there is a supplier who is in Gujarat and myself, we are registered in the state of West Bengal. Now, if we are receiving any supply from the state of Gujarat, definitely the supplier will charge IGST in the invoice with place of supply as the state of West Bengal. And on that basis, we'll be taking the credit. But now, there has been certain errors, especially in the year 17, 18 and 18, 19, for which a circular has also been given by the department. We'll discuss this later on. तो 17, 18, 18, 19 में इस तरह की बहुत सारी mistake हुई है. What kind of mistake has been done with respect to wrong place of supply? Let's discuss. Number one, while making the invoice itself, what the supplier did, he mentioned rightly IGST and he also mentioned the GST number of my state only, but he wrongly written place of supply Maharashtra instead of West Bengal. So this is the first error. If this error has occurred, we can safely assume that while filing the return, I mean GSTR1, when the supplier filed GSTR1, there also he did the same error that he mentioned the place of supply wrongly as Maharashtra instead of West Bengal. It's quite obvious. अगर invoice ही गलत है तो definitely return में तो गलत upload हुआ ही होगा. Fine. Second type of error can happen is while issuing the invoice, supplier mentioned correctly IGST as well as state of West Bengal as my place of supply. But while filing the return, there was one mistake. While filing the return, he mentioned place of supply Maharashtra instead of West Bengal. So these two common type of mistakes is being faced, and because of these mistakes, ITC has been denied. ITC has been questioned in so cause notices. Okay, so now what remedy can be done for this? Look, if invoice is correct, I mean to say in invoice, place of supply is rightly mentioned, but while uploading the returns GSTR1, the supplier has mentioned wrong place of supply. In this particular case, definitely you are eligible to get the ITC as per the GST law. भाई उस वक्त जो GST law drafted था 17, 18, 18, 19 में, तो definitely you should get the ITC on the basis of that invoice, because in the first 2 years, ITC was being allowed only on the basis of invoice, because there was no mechanism of 2A and also no such thing was mentioned in the law itself. Okay, तो अगर आपका invoice correct है, रिटर्न में मिस्टेक है, मतलब 2A में प्रॉपर्ली शो नहीं कर रहा, राइट प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई शो नहीं कर रहा, then still you are eligible to get that ITC. We personally faced this case and definitely the officer gave the ITC. उसने ITC को इस पे क्वेश्चन नहीं किया. But the second type of mistake is that when invoice itself is wrong. भाई अगर invoice wrong है तो definitely as per the law invoice is not correct, and in this case ITC will be questioned by the department, और ITC definitely यहाँ पे क्या होगा, deny होगा, because place of supply has been wrongly mentioned in the invoice itself. So recipient should have checked the invoice while receiving the services or goods. उसी वक्त उसको invoice check करके उसको ठीक कराना चाहिए था, but उसने नहीं कराया, तो definitely यहाँ पे बिल्कुल ये ITC पे question mark arise होगा. But what action should taxpayer say take? क्या भाई इस केस में ITC डिलाई हो जाएगा तो क्या उसको गिव अप कर देना चाहिए? Definitely not, because look, initial 2 years में there has been lots of mistake, और एक सर्कुलर भी आया है और उस सर्कुलर में डायरेक्टली प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई को कवर नहीं किया गया, but there has been one point in the circular. What is that point? That is also related to place of supply. We'll discuss, but directly place of supply provision if it is wrongly mentioned by the supplier, this has been not covered in the circular. तो इसके हिसाब से तो definitely officer department will deny the ITC, especially when the invoice is wrong. In fact, invoice right है तब भी deny करे, but that can be easily defended. But अगर invoice wrong है, then there will be challenges. Now, what is mentioned in the circular? In circular, there is one point where it is mentioned that if supplier has mentioned the wrong GSTIN, अगर सप्लायर ने रॉन्ग GSTIN मेंशन किया है, then definitely we can take the declaration from the supplier that wrong GSTIN has been mentioned, and on that basis department will allow the ITC. Now, what is the logic behind this? When the supplier will give the declaration, say for example, instead of mine GSTIN, some other GSTIN has been mentioned, so department will communicate to the jurisdictional officer of that other GSTIN and will confirm whether the ITC has been taken by the other person whose GST has been wrongly mentioned. वो confirm करके आपको ITC दे देगा. In fact, वो confirm करने के लिए wait भी नहीं होगा. On the basis of declaration, you will be allowed the ITC, and later on the back end they will clear the issue whether the ITC has been taken by the other person whose GST was wrongly mentioned. Now, suppose in this case only, the wrong GST which was mentioned was of some other state. भाई मेरा GST मेंशन करने के बजाय कोई दूसरा GST मेंशन कर दिया. This case specially occurred in case of distinct person. Suppose मेरा 10 स्टेट में रजिस्ट्रेशन है, तो ये मिस्टेक हुई है सप्लायर से. इंस्टेड ऑफ मेंशनिंग वेस्ट बंगाल एज माय प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई, दे हैव मेंशन महाराष्ट्र एज माय प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई. ये बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक है. तो इस केस को सर्कुलर में कवर्ड है कि रॉन्ग GSTN मेंशन्ड है, दैट शुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ बाय द वे ऑफ डिक्लेरेशन. बट फ्रेंड्स, दिस सिचुएशन इज वेरी मच सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ रॉन्ग प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई. भाई काफी हद तक सिमिलर है, थोड़ा फर्क है, मैं डिस्कस करूंगा फर्क क्या है. वैसे काफी हद तक ये सिचुएशन एकदम सिमिलर है. भाई यहां पे भी क्या हुआ, अगर महाराष्ट्र का GSTN उसने डाल दिया तो डेफिनेटली वी कैन अज्यूम कि प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई भी महाराष्ट्र का डाला हुआ है. इन दैट केस the revenue will go to Maharashtra instead of West Bengal. So how West Bengal will give the credit to me when place of supply is not mentioned as West Bengal? But इसमें place of wrong GSTN की चीज को कवर किया है सर्कुलर में. There they have not mentioned anything about place of supply. They have simply mentioned about wrong GSTN. But we can safely assume wrong GSTN अगर दूसरा स्टेट का है तो definitely in that case place of supply भी wrong हो गया. So that case has been properly taken care of in the circular. But if someone has simply mentioned the wrong place of supply, that case has not been covered. इसके पीछे ये लॉजिक हो सकता है कि अगर wrong GSTN mentioned है, even if it is of another state, तो department can easily communicate with the jurisdictional officer of some other state because he have some identification number in the form of GSTIN of the other person जिसका हमने भूल से नंबर दे दिया है. तो डिपार्टमेंट कैन कम्युनिकेट. व्हाट इफ ओनली रॉन्ग प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई इज मेंशन, मतलब GSTN मेरा करेक्ट है, बस खाली प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई रॉन्गली महाराष्ट्र दे दिया, तो इन दैट केस इट बिकम्स डिफिकल्ट बट नॉट इम्पॉसिबल. फ्रेंड्स, दे कैन इजीली कम्युनिकेट ओवर देयर कि भाई यहाँ पे तो इनफैक्ट कम्युनिकेट करने का दरकार भी नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर रॉन्ग प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई सिंपल मेंशन किया तो डेफिनेटली नो वन हैज टेकन द क्रेडिट ऑफ दैट रॉन्ग प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई. सिंपली द रेवेन्यू हैज टू बी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र टू स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल. तो इस चीज को भी डेफिनेटली कवर करना चाहिए था सर्कुलर में. तो sooner or later might be new circular come or any new instruction come where we can get this relief. अगर प्रॉपर रिलीफ देना है इस केस में तो दिस सिचुएशन इज वेरी मच लाइक ट्रांस 1. दे हैव टू रीओपन द GSTR1 का पोर्टल, जहां पे सबको मौका दिया जाए एक बार कि किसी का अगर कोई इस तरह का प्लेस ऑफ सप्लाई वगैरह से रिलेटेड मिस्टेक है, सो दे कैन रेक्टिफाई एंड देन देयर कैन बी वेरी इजी इंटरनल सेटलमेंट बिटवीन द स्टेट्स. अदरवाइज चीजें थोड़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएंगी. बट दिस इज अ वेरी जेन्युइन इशू. डेफिनेटली कोर्ट विल कम अप विद सम सॉल्यूशन, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग में जो मिस्टेक हुआ है खास करके डिस्टिंक्ट पर्सन के केस में, इट्स अ वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक और बहुत सारे टैक्स पेयर्स में फंसे हुए. तो कुछ ना कुछ जरूर आना चाहिए. So as per my view, if amount is significant, definitely you should not leave your ITC and you should fight for this. Again I say, अगर invoice में correct है तो आपकी ITC ऐसे ही बनती है, लेकिन invoice अगर wrong है then it can be challenged. But still you should try to defend this case, and sooner or later some judgment will come. Hopefully that will help us to defend the case. Thank you so much.